Hello, Metadata family. Welcome to a start of a new series, which is a PyBasics series. Now, with this, what we intend doing is to run our subscribers and then our viewers through basics of Python. Now, we've got various comments coming in where people want to know, some fundamentals of Python. And so there's a series that addresses that, and we try to do this in a very short span of, say, a minute, try to take a basic and then run through it. And so it's going to be rolled out, and we're starting with the very first episode today. And so basically, when we talk of Python, it's also a programming language. It's used for, it can actually do both the object-oriented programming, it can also do structured programming, and so on and so forth. But then our emphasis here today would be on comments within Python, within the 1 minute series. You're looking at comments within Python. And so Python adapts comments, or it sort of works with comments in two different forms. Now, when we talk of comments, they are integral parts of a code, which do not really execute. They do not, they are executed, but they don't produce any output. They don't play any major role pertaining to what the program itself would run. But then it's for you, the viewer, or you, the one coding, you, the one programming. It's for your own good, because you might write a long code and without comments, you come back next time and you would have forgotten what you would have done. And it makes the work also quite organized. And so there are two forms. Now with single line comments, we just use the hash symbol. So with a hash symbol, you get a single line comment. So let's say this is a single line. Exactly. And that's it. Now, for multiple line comments, instead of repeating this, if I had say about 50 lines, and I'm going to repeat this hash before all the 50 lines. No, I could rather use 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes, and you pass whatever lines you want in there. This represents multiple line comments. Exactly, that's it. And that's what happens. Now, per Jupyter Notebook, we have it printed out this way, but then if I were using Spider, you wouldn't see anything from pop up, just like we had in the inputs one. We'll look at a way of dealing with this so that it wouldn't show all these comments printed out, but I want to take it step by step so that it becomes easier. All right, so multiple line comments in Jupyter Notebook gets it printed out this way. However, this is still a comment. If you're using any other editor, say Spider, the Python editor itself, the IPython Notebook, and the rest, you should have this not showing. And that's purely how comments are treated in Python. Hope you enjoyed this section and this episode. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on post notification, and then share with your network. And let's build on this. Let's grow our knowledge in Python. It's going to get interesting and way better. Invite your friends, and hope to see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.